Hey everyone! So you're trying to pick between Monday.com and Asana for your team's project management, and honestly, they're both solid. But here's the thing, they're built for different types of teams and workflows. In this video, I'm breaking down the real differences: pricing, automation, views, collaboration features, and who each platform actually works best for. By the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your needs. And hey, if this helps you out, smash that like button and subscribe. It keeps these comparisons coming. Overview: Monday.com is a visual work operating system. Think colorful boards, timelines, Gantt charts. It's built for teams that want flexibility and visual clarity. You can customize almost everything: workflows, dashboards, automations. It's popular with marketing teams, creative agencies, and operations managers who need to see the big picture at a glance. Asana is a task and project management tool focused on execution and clarity. It's clean, structured, and designed to help teams break down complex projects into actionable tasks. It's loved by product teams, software developers, and remote teams who need clear task dependencies and a no-nonsense interface. Both are cloud-based, both integrate with tons of apps, but the way they handle work is very different. Interface and ease of use. Monday.com gives you visual overload at first, but in a good way. You've got colors, icons, customizable columns. It's intuitive once you get past the initial setup, but there's a learning curve because of how much you can do. Asana, clean and minimalist. You can jump in and start creating tasks immediately. The interface is straightforward: lists, boards, timelines. Less flashy, more focused. If you want to onboard a team quickly, Asana wins here. Views and flexibility. This is where Monday.com shines. You get Kanban boards, Gantt charts, calendars, timelines, workload views, and even map views. You can switch between them instantly on the same project. Need to see who's overloaded? Workload view. Need a timeline for stakeholders? Gantt chart. It's incredibly flexible. Asana offers list view, board view, timeline, and calendar. It's solid, but not as extensive. The timeline view is excellent for dependencies, though you can see exactly how one delayed task affects the whole project. Winner for views: Monday.com unless you only need basic views, then Asana is cleaner. Automation. Monday.com has one of the best automation builders out there. You can create automations with a simple "when this happens, do that" formula. For example, when status changes to done, notify the client and move the item to archive. You get 250 actions per month on the basic plan, scaling up from there. Asana's automation is more limited on lower tiers. You can set rules like when a task is completed, assign the next task, but you only get 250 rules total on the starter plan, and the automation builder isn't as visual or flexible as Monday's. Winner: Monday.com if automation is critical to your workflow. Task, dependencies, and project planning. Asana is built for this. Task dependencies are native and easy to set up. You can see exactly what's blocking what, and if one task is delayed, Asana automatically flags dependent tasks. The timeline view makes it crystal clear. Monday.com has dependencies too, but they're not as intuitive. You need to enable them in certain views, and the visual feedback isn't as strong. It's there, but it feels like an add-on rather than a core feature. Winner: Asana, especially for complex, multi-phase projects. Collaboration and communication. Both let you comment on tasks, tag teammates, attach files, but Monday.com has built-in updates and activity feeds that feel more like a social feed, great for keeping everyone in the loop without switching apps. Asana integrates beautifully with Slack and Microsoft Teams, and its inbox feature consolidates all your task updates in one place. It's more email style, less social feed. Winner: tie depends on your team's communication style. Integrations. Monday.com, 200 plus integrations, including Slack, Zoom, Google Drive, HubSpot, Salesforce, and a robust API for custom builds. Asana, 270 plus integrations, including Adobe Creative Cloud, GitHub, Jira, and Microsoft Power BI. Both integrate with Zapier and make for even more options. Winner: Asana, slightly more native integrations. Pricing 2026. Monday.com, free plan, up to 2 users, limited features. Basic, $9, user, month, billed annually, core views, 5 GB storage. Standard, $12, user, month timelines, Gantt, automations, integrations. Pro, $19, user, month, advanced automations, time tracking, formula columns. Asana, free plan, up to 15 users, unlimited tasks. Starter, $10.99, user, month, timelines, workflow builder, 250 automations. Advanced, $24.99, user, month portfolios, advanced reports, goals. Winner: Asana for free plan, 15 users versus 2. Monday.com for mid-tier value, standard plan is cheaper than Asana Advanced. Reporting and analytics. Monday.com has customizable dashboards where you can drag and drop widgets, charts, battery indicators, timelines. It's visual and great for presentations. Asana's reporting is more structured portfolios, workload charts, and goals tracking. It's less flashy, but very effective for tracking team capacity and project health. Winner, Monday.com for visual reporting, Asana for structured project tracking. So, which one's better? Choose Monday.com if you want maximum flexibility and visual customization. You're managing creative, marketing, or cross-functional teams. Automation and dashboards are a priority. You like colorful, visual workflows. Choose Asana if you need clear task dependencies and project timelines. You're running software development, product, or remote teams. You want a clean, no-frills interface. You're on a budget and need a generous free plan. Honestly, both are excellent. Monday.com is the Swiss Army knife, flexible but busier. Asana is the scalpel, precise and focused. That's it. If this comparison helped you decide, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. I've dropped links to both platforms in the description if you want to try them out. Let me know in the comments which one you're going with or if you're using something totally different. See you in the next one.